Hi viewers, today I'm making two Sweet 16 birthday cards. They're both for the same birthday girl, just from different people. I'm going to improvise because I don't have all my craft supplies with me. So I'm using flat plastic packaging to hold the stamp, and I'm using a highlighter pen instead of ink. If the white paper looks funny or weird, it's because I've spray painted it with gold metallic spray paint. I'm happy with the result of these prints that came out pretty good. I'm going to use the pink print on the card today. Next, I'm cutting out the print. I'm not doing fussy cutting. I don't want to stuff it up. Next, I'm smoothing it out after gluing. I don't want it to smudge, so I just put a piece of paper in between, rubbing over it. I'm writing happy birthday and Sweet 16, and I'm pretty much experimenting to see how I want this card to look. I've scrapped my happy birthday writing, and instead I've made a design on Canva, and I've printed out stickers on my new Phomemo Mini Printer. I really like the design that I made more than my handwriting. I didn't record using the Phomemo printer because I have to connect to the Phomemo using this phone. I have another video about the Phomemo printer, which I will link to this video. I really like this iridescent coloured butterfly. Which do you like more, the pink or the gold card? Let me know in the comments what you think of these Phomemo stickers compared to my handwriting. Thanks for watching.